What if I told you that people in Nigeria are earning in dollars from their bedroom? No travel, no visa, just skills. Let me show you how you can do that. Welcome back to my channel. So today we are not just throwing out a random list of online businesses that pay in dollars. No, we are going deeper. I'm going to walk you through 5 solid, tested and trusted business opportunities that can actually help you earn in dollars right here in Nigeria. But here is a twist. I won't just be naming them. I will show you what each business really is, the exact skills you need to succeed, and how you can start even if you are a total beginner. And I will even give you access to the resources that can help you get started right away. So if you are thinking of how to beat this dollar struggles, or you are just tired of working hard with little to show for it, this video is for you. Also, make sure you watch this video to the end, because number 4 and number 5 are most interesting and beginner friendly. You won't want to miss this. Let's dive in. Number 1 is freelancing. Here you work with clients abroad. Freelancing is one of the most popular ways to earn in dollars, and it works. You can offer services like writing, graphic design, web development, data entry, data analysis, video editing, and so more to international clients on platforms like Fiverr, Upworks, TopTiles, People Per Hour. And the skills that you need to do this business called freelancing is that number 1, you must have a marketable skills. You must have writing skill, designing or programming skills that are marketable. All right. Number 2 is that you must have communication and client management. You must know how to manage people, and you must know how to communicate. And number 3, you must learn how to build your portfolio. All right. So how do you get started? Number 1 is to pick one skill you want to offer. Pick a niche where you want to be known for, or what you want to be, the services you want to be rendering. Could be graphic design, could be writing, could be video editing. Pick a niche. Pick one skill you want to offer. Learn it well. You can learn it from YouTube or other free platform, or you can even get a course and learn it well. All right. So number 3 thing you need to know is that you set up your profile, build your portfolio, set up your profile on this freelancing platform. If you have chosen Upworks, you set up your portfolio here, upload your CV, upload your works there. And next thing you're going to do is that you start small, build reviews and scale up. You can start by volunteering. You must not get paid immediately. Just volunteer to work for people for free. Build up your skills and your expertise, then you scale up from there. So that is that for freelancing. Number 2 skills we're going to be talking about now is blogging. You get paid in blogging via ads, affiliate links, and sponsored ads. Blogging still works. I know it's not everybody that wants to watch video. So basically, when they are looking for something, they prefer to read it through the Google instead of going to YouTube. So blogs still work. So what you're going to be doing is that you are going to be writing out good articles, especially if you can write consistently about a niche. If you are known for something, you are going to be being monetized on your blog. All right. So how can you monetize on your blog? Is that you do that through Google AdSense. You know, sometimes when you're reading an article on a website, you see a lot of ads on that page. The owner of that blog is being paid for placing those ads there. Google AdSense paid the person. You can also earn through affiliate marketing links on your pages and through sponsored posts. Some brands can meet you to write for them about their brands on your page, and they will pay you for that. You can actually make money there. So what are the skills you need to start up your blogging business? Number 1, you must have a writing and a research skill. You must know how to write. And these days you have AIs that can do the writing for you, so it's not a big deal. Number 2 is that you must learn the basic search engine optimization. You must learn how to optimize your page to be on the top page of the search engine. All right. Number 3 is that you must learn web design, WordPress, or even a blogger setup. Learn how to use WordPress. you can register, set up your page, and start from there. So these are the skills you need. Then how do you start? You start by picking a niche. It can be a tech niche, it can be a parenting niche, it can be even a niche for cooking, for finance, lifestyle, things that you are passionate about, that you know well about, that you can write. So pick that niche. Then number two is set up a blog. You can use your Bluehost, Namecheap, Truehost, or even Google Blogger for free. So set up your page to blog your blog. All right. So number three, you write valuable articles. Write something that is articulate. Write something that people, when they read it, they'll be so enticed to come back to your page. So once you have written and you are building up traffic, then you can apply for AdSense. So once the traffic flows in, Google can start paying you through their AdSense. And yes, it takes time to build, but when dollars start coming in, it's sweet when it's flowing in. All right, so take our time to build your blog. So number three thing we are going to be talking about is a forex trading. Forex trading is a very high risk business and also a high reward. So if you risk high, you earn high. But it's a very risky business, but people are making it. So you don't just go in there, you must learn how it works. All right, you must learn how it works. So now this one isn't for everybody. I will be honest. I'm not a forex trader, but my husband is a forex trader. So in the description, I also put his forex trading website, YouTube page. A lot of things that he's teaching people for free there. So his forex FX Forex Hub. I will put his description to you can visit his page. He teaches a lot of strategies on this forex trading, and he's very good at it. So you are going to back to what I was saying. This forex trading is not for everybody. I must be very honest with you. Forex trading can earn you in dollars right from your phone or your laptop. Now, what are the skills you need? You need to learn market analysis. Sorry, you must learn market analysis, technical and fundamentals. You must learn risk management and emotional control. These are the skills that you must learn. Trading is not for babies. So you must be emotionally balanced for you to go into trading. Though it pays a lot, it pays. So if you have the money and you have the time, you have the mind, you can go into that. So how do you start? You learn the basics from the reliable source. I told you about the website, the YouTube page of my husband, that you can go and learn there. And also you can learn from other gurus that can teach you. Practice with demo account first. Don't fund your account and start using your real money. No, you practice with demo account to see if you put your real money, whether it's going to give you a result. So you start with demo account, then stick to tested strategy and start small. Maybe start with $30, $100, and then you scale up once you are starting making profit. And never trade with money that you can't afford to lose. That is the secret. Don't trade forex with money that you cannot afford to lose. It is not get rich quick scheme, but with time you can build a system that pays. All right, so the fourth business that can earn you in dollar is starting a YouTube channel like this one. Get paid in dollars through YouTube partner program. This is awesome. This one right here is super powerful. YouTube pays in dollars, and you don't need to fancy. You don't need to break the bank before you get started. You don't need fancy equipment to start. You can do just that with your phone. Is enough to get started. All right. So how you can earn? You earn through AdSense. The AdSense in YouTube, once you get started, once you subscribe 1,000 and you have gotten 4,000 watch hour, you are qualified to earn in dollars through YouTube partner program. Then number two things how you earn in YouTube is that you earn through affiliate links in your description. Most of the time, after you do your video, you put some affiliate links on your description. People will come and buy, and they go to the page and buy. So that is that. You also earn through sponsorship and brand deals. As you grow your page, brands will come to you for sponsorship, and you make money from there. All right, so look at the basic skill you need. Number one, you need basic video editing. You must learn how to edit video, the basic skill. You must learn to storytelling is very, very important. Then keyword research to help your video rank very well. You must learn how you can push your video to rank high on YouTube. So how do you get started? Pick a topic you enjoy, select a niche. It could be blog, how-to videos, review, tutorials, and anything that you are passionate about. Pick a topic on that, start creating with what you have. Be consistent and always provide value. Use catchy title and clean thumbnails. I will always tell people your first 10 videos won't be perfect. Just start and you learn as you grow. All right, good. So before I tell you the last one, if you're enjoying this video, tell me in the comment section that you are enjoying this video, and like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel for more video like this. So the fifth one is affiliate marketing. This one is the simplest and most underrated. Affiliate marketing simply means promoting other people's products, and you earn a commission when someone buys through your link. No product creation, no customer service. All you do is just market. Why I love it? You can do it with just your smartphone. You can promote both Nigerian and international products. Platforms like Expertmia, PromptN, DigitStem, Lenoflix, or even Amazon, ClickBanks pay in commissions. So what are the skills you need? One, you must learn how to create content, either by writing, by video creation, social media. You must learn how to create content. It's a must because you're marketing to people. All right. So number two thing you need to know is you need to know basic skills and persuasion, how to sell, basic sales and persuasion. You must learn how to communicate whatever the benefit of that product to the people that want to buy. So you must learn that. Then number three is that you must learn how to generate traffic. It's just like you opening a shop. If people are not seeing what you're selling, nobody will buy. So it is in affiliate marketing. You must learn how to generate traffic, either paid or through organic means. Your social media, your WhatsApp, your email list, Google ad, YouTube ad, Instagram or Facebook. You can generate traffic on all of this, and you are going to learn all of that if you get started as an affiliate marketer. So how can you get started? First thing you do is to choose a platform and also choose a product you want to promote. Choose a niche, choose a platform. I do affiliate marketing. You can write to me in the comment section if you want to get started. I'll put you through the right product to get started and the right product to promote. Then number two thing, you need to learn how to market. Very, very important. Affiliate marketing is marketing. If you cannot market, don't bother. Hey, I'm shy, I cannot do this. Don't bother going for affiliate marketing if you don't have the zeal to market any product of your choice. And the good thing about affiliate marketing is that once you get started, you are going to be taught on how to do the marketing aspect of the business. So number three thing is how to get started. You're going to use your WhatsApp, your TikTok, your Facebook, your Instagram, YouTube to talk about that product. You are going to select. Then number four thing, you build trust. And you focus on helping people, not just selling. Sell the benefits to people, they will buy. All right, affiliate marketing changed my mindset about any online, and I truly believe anyone can do it, even as a beginner, even as a busy mom, even as a 9-to-5 worker. Anybody can do affiliate marketing. So if you want to get started, there's a link in the description. You can get started through the link and get the resources there to learn. All right, so in conclusion, so there you have it. I have given you 5 powerful ways to earn in dollars from Nigeria. All of them, they work, but the key is choosing one and actually getting started. Consistency is what separates wishful thinking from real success. Don't just wish. Don't just say, I want to start. Start now and be consistent, be dedicated. Have a working strategy that will help you in any of them you want, be it forex trading, affiliate marketing, YouTube, blogging, or freelancing. Anyone you select, be consistent with it. All right. So now I know some of you might be wondering, where do I learn these skills, or how do I get started the right way? Well, I got you covered. I have personally put together the resources and beginner-friendly courses for each of these. So whether you want to start freelancing, learn affiliate marketing, grow your YouTube channel, Forex trading, or even blog, if you are serious, I mean, if you are really serious and you are ready to learn the right way, just check the description box below. Below this video, there's a description box here. All the links are there, no pressure at all. Just explore what works best for you. All right, so choose any one you want to do. Use the description there, you can get any of them and start learning. And also in my video somewhere here, or go through my page, I made a video on things you need to know before you start a digital skill. Go to my page and watch that video. All right, before you pay for any course or before you start any digital skill, watch that video. It will help you a lot. All right, so thanks for watching to the end. Don't forget to like this video. I know you have learned something. Don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to share this video to someone that needs to start earning in dollars. All right, whether naira is depreciating or dollar is appreciating, you are the right standard to earn in dollar and make more money for yourself. Catch you in my next video. Bye.